Hey guys, so we have a new product for you guys today. We're very proud of this, and it's a culmination of a lot of the products that you have seen already in the past and some products that you will see here in the future, and that is the Blue Alpha dump pouch. It's just a super simple, easy on, easy off dump pouch. It's not too big, it's not too small, and that was kind of the main emphasis when we started designing this. Is it needs to be easy on, easy off, and it doesn't need to be too big and it doesn't need to be too small. It's, you know, it's the medium porridge, it's just right. It's not gonna burn your tongue and you're not gonna be pissed because it's cold. But, so the overview of how this mounts and really the selling point of this, what I think is, you do not have to remove a mollied rifle mag that's already on your pouch. Whether that be with our Blue Alpha straps or the WTF straps or the Tac Taylor malice clips, what you do is that you go behind the malice clip, it comes up, rolls over the top of your belt. We have Velcro tabs here on what's basically our molly straps. That Velcros onto the backside of your belt. And then from there, just like our molly straps, you're going to go underneath and tuck the tabs in. And then there you go. It's easy on. Now, if you wanted to remove it, all you're going to do is pull that tab out, lift this out, and then pull the whole dump pouch out, and then it's removed. You don't have to weave anything on and off. This is a dump pouch that is mounted completely separate from the rifle mag pouch. So how did we land on the size dump pouch that we got? And when discussing with a lot of the people in the industry that we hold dear and just everyday folks with what do they put in their dump pouches, what we found most people use are either water bottles, Nalgene bottles, and just the standard rifle and pistol mag pouches. So that's what we built it off of, to keep it as small as possible when stowed, but also being able to hold what you need while you're on the range. So as you can see right here, we have a 32-ounce Nalgene, and we have ripstop on top. The reason why we use the ripstop, so when it comes to cinching the dump pouch down, it's extremely easy. You're not binding it up with Cordura or anything like that. And some of the other materials that we tried out, we just found that ripstop works the best for that aspect of it. And as you can see, the dump pouch is designed to go around the neck of the Nalgene. It stays tight, and you're not going to use it. That being said, you can also put about 4 rifle mags in here, or a combination thereof of, say, a Nalgene, probably 1 rifle mag and a couple pistol mags. But it's designed to hold what you need when you need it held, and that's really about it. And then when stowed, the dump pouch is extremely small. So because of the ripstop design and just the overall small nature of this dump pouch, it tucks down extremely tight when rolled up and underneath your rifle mag pouch. So another feature of the dump pouch is the tab closure system that we've designed for it. So there's 3 different slots to where if for whatever reason you need to adjust it, or you want this shock cord a little tighter, because it does serve some purposes on the inside when it's open. That being said, you can just pick one of the 3 slots to adjust it from. We also have a little hole right here on the tab, so that way if you want to run some 550 cord in there or something, that you can give yourself a pull lanyard. That way when you open it up, it opens up all the way. So if you want to keep the shock cord tucked out of the way, there is a little slot for that in there. And what that does as well is that it takes the back side where you're more likely to put your hand and try and dump a mag in or get a mag out. It takes the lip of that bag and kind of gets it out of the way, so there's a lot less of you trying to just sit in there and fish in the bag. Now, that being said, the way we cut this tab, it is a little loop. So if you want to tie something off and put it in your dump pouch that you don't want to lose, whatever that may be, if it's a set of night vision or just any kind of SI, if it's a Kestrel wind meter or something, I don't care what you use. You do have a slot to tie off on here and then put it into your dump pouch, that way you're not going to lose it. So as far as colors, the dump pouch comes in all the same colors that the Battle Belt Light does. So if you want to get a matching dump pouch for your belt because you're a Fed, or you don't care and you want to throw a Ranger green on a gray belt, which is kind of a vibe, by the way, go ahead and do that. You can head over to bluealphabelts.com now. Check them out. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Be sure to look for the install video somewhere on how to install this, on how we suggest. There's a couple other ways you can do it, but there's really one for surefire way, and then you can kind of make a couple others work. But thank you guys for swinging by. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you later.